Go to Format Background and change it to black. Insert 3 rectangle shapes. Rotate and arrange these 3 shapes in whatever you like. Go to Format Shape. Insert picture into Shape 3 and no line. Change Shape 1 and 2 in whatever color and no line. Insert your text. Keep your text same as shape's rotation angle. Make the shape and text a group. Bring shape 2 and 3 to front. Duplicate the slide and go to First Slide. Select all the shapes with a line middle and center. Lastly, select all slides and apply Morph Transition.